Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll discuss the first problem of Leetcode BiWeekly contest 104. It's an easy level problem. I would say relatively easier than the other first level problems that you get, totally based on implementation. So the problem name is number of senior citizens. It says that you are given a zero indexed array of strings, details. Okay, each element of details provides information about a given passenger compressed into a string of length 15. The system is such that the first 10 characters consist of the phone number of passengers. The next character denotes the gender. The next two characters denote the age of the person, and the last two characters determine the seat allotted to that person. Return the number of passengers who are strictly more than 60 years old, right? Like for example, just see how many 1, 2, 3 passengers you have. Now for every passenger, just see the first 10 characters is basically the phone number. The next one is gender. The next two is age, and the next two is seat. So what you have to do, you have to extract the age of every passenger, and you have to return the count of passengers whose age is greater than 60, right? Totally based on implementation. So like here, what do you see? The age here is 75, here it's 92, here it is 40. So there are two passengers whose age is greater than 60. Similarly, here it is 20 and 56. So the number of passengers having age greater than 60 is 0, right? So you return 0. So you can see it's a one line code. I would say initialize your answer with 0. Now for every person, what you have to do, you have to consider two characters. Which character? So just see, the first 10 characters are phone number, the next is age, and the next two characters are basically the age. So the indexing starts from 0. Okay, so that means the 11th character, right? 10 plus 1, okay, 11 and 12. So starting from the 12th character, if the indexing starts from 1, the 12th character and the 13th character basically denote the age. Okay. Now actually the indexing starts from 0. So the 11th and the 12th character will basically tell you the age. So that is what I have done here. Integer.parseInt. Okay. So what it does, it basically converts any string into integer. Now which string does it needs to convert? Pick up a person, find the substring. Okay. Which substring? Select the character at index number 11 and index number 12. This 11 and 13 means that pick up characters from 11 to less than 13. So 11 and 12 character will be picked. Okay, these will be combined, and basically what I'm doing, I'm converting it into integer and directly comparing. If this is greater than 60, add 1 to your answer, else add 0 to your answer. Okay, this is the ternary operator that I've used, just a single line of code, and finally we return your answer. Okay, so nothing fancy in this problem. I would say it's sort of a warm-up so that yeah, so that you have some confidence that actually one problem is solved, right? So yeah, that's it for this problem. In case you still have any queries, mention that in the comment section. I'll revert on each one of them. Thank you, take care, bye bye.